This dance is called Mirror of My Soul. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot with some skates. So just imagine you've got those ice skates on your feet and you're moving off. So you're going to effectively slide your right towards the diagonal. That's your skate. Skate with the left, so we're doing the same. We're sliding the left towards that diagonal. Shuffle forward on the right foot, 1 and 2 count timing steps, step in the right forward, left beside right, step in the right forward. Add on a jazz box with a cross. Left foot leads, crossing the left over the right, step the right back, step the left to the side, cross the right over the left. Jazz box with a cross. That set of steps once more then, skates off on the right. 7, 8, skate, skate, right shuffle, cross, back, side, cross. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right. Into a cross shuffle, 1 and 2 count timing steps, crossing the left over the right, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. That's your cross shuffle. Point the right to the side, flick the right back. Now when you do that flick, don't flick it back behind the left, because you're then going to go and try and cross it over for the next set of steps. So point, flick it back towards the right side. And make it easier for you to then go into your cross shuffle, right foot leading, 1 and 2 count timing steps, crossing the right over the left, step the left to the side, cross the right over. Cross, side, cross, it's your cross shuffle. That set of steps once more then. Side rock off on the left. 7, 8, side rock, cross shuffle, point, flick, cross shuffle. Let's add that to the top. Skates off on the right. 7, 8, skate, skate, right shuffle, cross, back, side, cross. Side, rock, cross shuffle, point, flick, cross shuffle. We're now going into a rumba box backward that has been slightly modified because we've got shuffle steps in it. So you're going to step the left to the side, step the right beside the left. And rather than just stepping back, which we would normally do with a rumba box, you're going to shuffle back. 1 and 2 count timing steps, step the left back, right beside left, step the left back. Step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, and again this is a modified bit, you're going to shuffle forward on the right. 1 and 2 count timing steps, step the right forward, left beside right, step the right forward. Right, close, right. That set of steps once more then. Side close back shuffle, side close forward shuffle. Off on the left. 7, 8, side close, back shuffle, side close, right shuffle. Your modified rumba back box. Let's add that to the top. Skates off on the right. 7, 8, skate, skate, right shuffle, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, cross shuffle, point, flick, cross shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, right shuffle. Rock forward on the left. Recover your weight back on the right. Shuffle back on the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, step the left back, right beside left, step the left back. Rock back on that right, recover your weight on the left, step forward on the right, pivot yourself quarter turn to the left. So you should now be facing the left side wall or 9 o'clock. That set of steps once more, then forward rock off on the left. 7, 8, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, pivot. So it is the end of the dance. When you get to that point, let's put it all together. Skates off on the right. 7, 8, skate, skate, right shuffle, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, cross shuffle, point, flick, cross shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, pivot. So that is your dance. Now there are a few and counts in there, so what I will do is I'll just go through it with the counts so you can see exactly where they are in the dance. Skates off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully you can see exactly where those and counts fit in. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Skates off on the right. 7, 8, skate, skate, right shuffle, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, cross shuffle, point, flick, cross shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, pivot, skate, skate, right shuffle, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, cross shuffle, point, flick, cross shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, pivot, skate, skate, right shuffle, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, cross shuffle, point, flick, cross shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, pivot. So hopefully you managed all those walls, because that's it. That is your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Cross shuffle, point, flick, cross shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, pivot, skate, skate, right shuffle, cross, back, side, cross, side, rock, cross shuffle, point, flick, cross shuffle, side, close, back shuffle, side, close, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, pivot, skate, skate, right shuffle, cross, back, side, cross, side rock, cross shuffle, point, flick, cross shuffle, side close, back shuffle, side close, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, pivot, skate, switch, right shuffle, cross, back, side, cross, side rock, cross shuffle, point, flip, cross shuffle, side close, back shuffle, side close, right shuffle, forward rock, back shuffle, back rock, step, pivot, skates,
Across the river there's a blue
side rock,
sky. The mountain calls my
remember,
name. The warrior in me trying to
forward rock,
survive. But for
skates,
now, oh, I just want
side rock,
He calms my
remember,
fears. Oh, he's gentle, reminds me of my
forward rock,
friend. And I ride
skates,
slow and easy, smell of
side rock,
pine in the air, taste the
remember,
edge of the crazy. Don't
forward
give a
rock,
damn if people care. Take my
skates,
time, doing nothing. The rhythm of the
side rock,
stride. I
remember,
found peace on its back, and there's healing when I
forward rock,
forever free. You give so much to me. Some don't understand, they'll never see the why. I'll be happy in the saddle when I die. And I ride slow and easy, smell of pine in the air, takes the edge off the crazy. Don't give a damn if people care. Take my time, doing nothing. The rhythm of the stride. I find peace on its back, and there's healing when I ride. I find peace on its back, and there's healing when I ride.
hope you managed that one.